Hi gents, so let me just recap on what we already know. We know that oxidation is loss of electrons and reduction is gain of electrons. And we saw for a number of different reactions. So for example with zinc and an acid, that when it reacted, the zinc became zinc 2 plus and the hydrogen became H2. So if we look at what has happened from here to here, the zinc has lost 2 electrons, and from here to here, the H plus ions have gained 2 electrons and become hydrogen. Now, that all seems fairly straightforward, so let's have a look at another one. Here I've got N2, I've got hydrogen, and I make ammonia. So we'll just balance it. Now, a lot of you would say, well, everything here has no charge and so therefore it's not a redox reaction. But unfortunately, you'd be wrong. This is a redox reaction. So the reason that you can't tell is because you don't know something yet. And the thing that you don't know are called oxidation numbers. So if you look carefully through your booklet, you will find section 5, which describes oxidation number. So if I look at this reaction, which is N2 plus 3H2 makes 2NH3, ammonia, then what we need to be able to do is we need to be able to determine what is gaining or losing electrons. And to do that, we apply the rules which are given in section 5. So if we look at this example, nitrogen is elemental, and for that reason each atom in nitrogen gas has an oxidation number that is equal to 0. The same is true for hydrogen. So hydrogen is elemental, only contains one type of atom, so it has an oxidation number of 0. Now, clearly, ammonia is not an element. It has more than one type of atom in it. So, if we look at hydrogen, hydrogen is on our list of rules. If I take hydrogen as being equal to plus 1, you can see I've got 3 lots of hydrogen, and their oxidation numbers are all plus 1. That must mean that nitrogen, therefore, is -3, as the molecule itself has no charge. Okay, so I've got 3 lots of plus 1, and I've got whatever the oxidation number is of nitrogen. Now I've only got 1 nitrogen in ammonia, which means that this number therefore must be -3. If we then compare the oxidation numbers before with the oxidation number after. For hydrogen, the oxidation number has gone from 0 to +1. In other words, it has lost electrons. And nitrogen has gone from 0 to -3. In other words, it has gained electrons, and therefore in this reaction we can see that nitrogen is reduced, or it's the oxidant, and hydrogen is oxidized, or it is the reductant. Okay, hopefully that makes sense, and good luck with the questions.